Can I help you?
Yeah, how you doing?
Can I help you?
I'm just letting you know. You're more than welcome to film here.
You don't need to tell me not to go on the property. There's a sign right there, dude. Just keep it moving, dude.
I'm just letting
No, you don't need to let me know, dude. I could read. I could read. I could read. Shut the up.
All right.
You
All right.
piece of shit. Yeah, call the real police, you fake security. Fake security. It says police, but you ain't the cops. You ain't got no jurisdiction out here. Shut up. What? What's up, dude? Why is everybody stalking me, dude? Everybody's stalking me now. You now.
Well, I just had a call.
Yeah, I understand.
Someone's concerned, that's all.
Concerned? You mean like suspicious?
So
Let's call it what it is, right?
I'm just making sure you're okay.
What? No, you're not, dude. You got to call for service, dude, for a suspicious person. Don't come over here acting like you're my friend, first of all. Okay? Why don't you identify yourself first?
This encounter explodes from the very first second. The narrator wastes no time setting the tone. This isn't just another sidewalk interaction. This is framed as a test of authority, knowledge, and control. A man is filming in public. That's it. No crime. No confrontation. Until security steps in. What starts as a routine, "Can I help you?" quickly spirals into hostility. The security guard attempts to assert presence, but the cameraman immediately challenges his legitimacy. The language turns aggressive. Respect disappears. And just like that, the temperature spikes. Then comes the predictable escalation. The police are called. When the officer arrives, he opens softly, just making sure you're okay. But the cameraman doesn't buy it. He knows exactly what this is. A suspicious person call. A fishing expedition. Right here, tension is building beneath the surface. Because what sounds like a casual welfare check is about to turn into something much bigger. And within seconds, it does.
Patrol McCarran, Warrentown Township Police Department,
Okay, what's your badge number?
3298.
3298.
Yep.
Okay.
What's
So you're just checking on me, just to make sure I'm okay, right?
we got a call?
Well, like medical or something? Or
No,
like
it was
what?
a suspicious person just
Okay.
saying somebody was at a bus stop filming people going by. So
Okay.
I was just coming out just to make sure everything was good.
Yeah.
That's all. Do you have your ID on you?
You're kidding, right?
I have to document whoever I spoke to.
No, you don't. I have a Fourth Amendment right, and you're going to respect that today. Do you understand English? Or you can call supervisor and you can kick rocks after.
Okay.
I value my Fourth Amendment. I have committed absolutely no crime. I've never stepped on that property. Then the only time you can get my ID is if I'm driving or if I've committed a crime and under arrest. That's it. You have, am I wrong? Are you going to step it up? Yeah. Am I detained?
You asked for
Am I detained? I didn't ask for a supervisor. I said if you're going to demand ID and threaten me with an arrest, then you can call a supervisor.
I'm not threatening.
Am I?
This is where the encounter transforms from conversation to confrontation. The officer asks for ID. The cameraman refuses. Not emotionally, strategically. He invokes the Fourth Amendment. He demands clarity. And then he asks the question that changes everything. Am I detained? There's a pause. And then, the officer says yes. That single word shifts the entire power dynamic. Because now this isn't a friendly check-in. It's a detention. And detentions require reasonable, articulable suspicion of a crime. The cameraman presses harder. What crime do you suspect me of? The officer can't answer. You can feel the imbalance forming. The officer is trying to maintain authority, but the legal foundation beneath him is shaky. The cameraman knows it. The audience knows it. The words illegal detention enter the scene. And once that accusation is spoken, there's no going back. The officer insists he's being civil. The cameraman insists his rights are being violated. And just like that, the situation is no longer about filming. It's about constitutional boundaries.
Okay. Am I free to go?
No,
Or am I detained? I'm detained?
At this moment, yes.
I'm detained for what crime?
You don't have to be detained for
Yes, you do. It's reasonable, articulable suspicion of a crime. What crime do you
arrest.
What crime do you suspect me of committing?
I don't know. We just
Well, you
gotta-
need an RAS in order to detain somebody.
I'm just talking to you.
Can you just? No, you're not.
What's your
This is not a cordial conversation anymore. I'm now illegally being detained for absolutely nothing wrong.
Sir,
No,
I'm trying to be civil.
no, you're not. No, you're investigating me for absolutely no crime. You can't even articulate what crime I've possibly committed.
Sir, we got a call for service.
That doesn't mean you can just stop me on the street and tell me I can't move. No, that's against my rights. Do you understand that?
Done here, you can go.
No, I am done. I've been done with you. If I walk away, you're gonna throw me in cuffs and throw me on the ground?
I never said that.
So I'm not detained then, right?
I never said that.
So I'm not detained then, right? Because if that was the case, then you can use force against me. So I'm gonna walk away. And I suggest you do the same thing.
Sir,
I'm walking away.
having a conversation.
No, this is not a cordial conversation. Because you're detaining me for a crime you cannot not articulate.
You can't just talk?
No.
Why?
About what? About what? That I'm out here exercising my constitutional right that you swore to protect. Now that you're
I'm not.
you're starting to violate my rights. Am I free to go?
Not at this moment.
So I'm detained.
You have your ID.
I'm not giving you my ID. I'll take you to federal court over it if we have to.
Can I get your name, date of birth?
No, you cannot.
Just so I can document
No,
this.
can I get yours? Let me see your ID. Let me see your ID. I'll play
I
Uno.
told you, I'm Patrolman Carey. I'm born 10
Let me see your identification. I'll give you mine.
Badge number's 32.
That's the deal. You give me yours, I'll give you mine.
Would you like to speak with the supervisor?
If you're gonna continue illegally detaining me, then yeah, because you're.
Okay.
So I suggest you just let me go about my on a public sidewalk. I've done nothing wrong.
Well, we had
I don't care.
That's all.
That doesn't mean that you could just stop me and say I'm not free to move anymore.
Figure out what's going on.
It's self-evident, isn't it? I'm recording on public property.
Now the pressure intensifies. The officer continues attempting to justify his presence. The cameraman continues dismantling the logic. Back and forth. Question after question. Am I free to go? The answer isn't clear. That uncertainty is everything. Because in constitutional law, ambiguity favors authority, unless someone challenges it. And this cameraman does exactly that. He cites case law. He references Terry versus Ohio. He outlines First Amendment protections, Fourth Amendment protections. He forces the officer into a corner where explanation is required, but never delivered. Then the supervisor card is played. That's a turning point. When a citizen asks for a supervisor, it signals one thing. The frontline officer's authority is being questioned. And now the stakes are reputational. You can sense frustration building on both sides. The officer wants compliance. The cameraman wants articulation. Neither is giving ground. The interaction is no longer about suspicion. It's about control. And just when it seems like it might tip into something physical, it shifts again.
I don't know. What are you recording?
Anything I could see out here right now, it's you.
That's fine.
I know it's fine.
Recording too.
Great. I was going to ask you about that. Don't delete it and don't mute it.
It's not getting muted. It's not getting deleted. It's not getting turned off.
I've seen it before.
Well, trust me. I'm not.
I don't
doing
trust
that.
police. They lie, and the Supreme Court's ruled that you're allowed to.
Okay.
Just like you are right now. You're completely lying to me. You're detaining me illegally. I've cited the law, okay? Terry v. Ohio, there's several case laws that you cannot just detain somebody for suspecting them of no crime. Is it trespassing do you suspect me of?
No.
Is it loitering? Hold on, let's go through them. Is it disorderly conduct?
This is what I'm trying to figure out.
Okay.
This is why I'm out here.
So by you telling me I'm not free to go, you know what? I'm gonna remain silent. I'm done with you.
Okay.
I'm done and I'm walking away.
Speak with him.
No, I don't want to speak with anybody. I want to be free and on my way to record and exercise my rights. You piece of...
Hang out.
I ain't f***ing hanging out with anybody, dude. I don't hang out with f***ing pigs like you who detain people for no f***ing crime.
Okay. Like I said, we got a call about you. We're just trying to figure out what's going on.
No, there's nothing going on. There's nothing going on. I'm out here exercising my constitutional rights, and this piece of is telling me I'm detained, and he can't even articulate the crime that he suspects me of, which is illegal. I'm on a sidewalk recording because I'm pissed off at this officer. What's your name and badge number?
Sergeant Biddle, 3255.
Thank you, I appreciate it. I'm gonna get his name and badge number as well. Appreciate it, thank you. Am I detained still? Is that illegal?
And then when I try to...
You're free to go.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you. This piece of shit.
Walk in the street and follow across the street, I'll fight you there.
You're in the f***ing street too, you pig. You gotta abide by the same laws, you piece of shit. Shut the f*** up.
I'm Officer Alexander. How you doing today?
He's a
Okay, I understand.
I know I'm free to go, you
Why are you still here?
because I could say and do whatever I want. It's a free country. It is.
You
Yeah.
We're bothering you. You're the one.
Kick rocks, dude. Kick rocks. Shut the up. Train your officer instead of detaining me illegally. Yeah, you. You. You seem okay. You seem okay. But for now. Yeah, well, that can't even articulate why he detained me. Okay? It's either loitering, trespassing, disorderly, something. You need some sort of articulation. Yeah, you can go. Yeah, you can kick rocks, all of you. Get the out of here. You're all right, man. You're okay. I give you a little respect, all right?
I appreciate that.
Them two pieces of dude, you better telling you, stay away from them, dude.
This is the unraveling. The supervisor arrives, calmer, measured. The dynamic changes instantly. The cameraman explains the detention. He demands clarity again. Badge numbers are exchanged. Accountability enters the picture. And then, the moment that defines the encounter, you're free to go. Just like that. No citation. No arrest. No charge articulated. The authority that moments ago declared detention now retreats. But the emotional energy doesn't drop. The cameraman continues speaking out. The frustration spills over. Insults fly. The officer walks away. The supervisor tries to steady the situation. And what remains is the core question this entire video circles around. Was this a legitimate investigation, or an attempt to assert control without legal footing? By the end, no one is in cuffs. No force is used. But the real conflict wasn't physical. It was constitutional. And in that battle, the final word wasn't spoken through authority. It was spoken through release.